Hey, hello everyone. Welcome you to another video. In this video, I'll be teaching you about how to create drafts. Drafts are generally used in injection molding applications in order to release the part from the mold cavities. So, without any further delay, let's jump straight into the video.
So this is a default model workplace which we are quite familiar with. So in order to do drafts you need some objects. So for that I'll just extrude a simple rectangle or cube in this case. So go on and click extrude, select the front plane and I'll orient it. Once it is oriented then it's simple. Draw a rectangle and here I'll give the dimensions as 100 by 100. Yes, it's 100 by 100. Then click OK and I'll just keep it as a cube. So this will also be 100. So now this is a perfect cube. So in order to draft, you need to use the draft tool obviously. So in order to use the draft tool, you can find it in the engineering toolbar. So click on the draft tool and just make sure which phase you need to draft. So in this case, I'm going to draft this phase. So I'll select this and go on and click this point. This is a hinge which acts as a draft hinge. So click and Creo prompts you to select one item. So for this, I need to move it in this direction. So I'll be having the hinge here. So this creates a draft. So you can see two markers, one with the circular one and one with the rectangular one. The circular marker is denotes the point where the hinge is located, but obviously the rectangle square marker is a point where you can adjust the dimensions. Now it is drafted by around 1 degree. You can either manually enter the value here or you can also drag the marker. So as you can see, this circular point acts as a hinge and the plane goes on as a drafted surface. We can also go on and change the values here. So once you are happy with the result, go on and click OK. So this results in a drafted surface. I'll repeat it once again. Go on to draft, select the surface which you need to get a draft, select the hinge plane and give the draft value. Leave to tick mark. So this is the most easiest tool which you can see in Creo, and this has quite a lot of engineering applications. So in injection molding parts, you need drafted surfaces for releasing the part with ease. So that this tool becomes handy. Hope to see you in another video. Thank you.